goal is to introduce careers to students as well as helping them develop their career identity. MimioStem was recommended by one of our colleagues who was helping us.
The 3D printers and lab discs have been two of the things we've used the most with students. I train them on the lab disc for about 45 seconds. They take to it very quickly. They understand how to use it.
What we do in Spark is a lot of career exploration, and the way we do it with middle schoolers, we try to make it as much fun as possible, which is doing activities. We created a lesson where students created their own logo for a business, and they did it through Tinkercad, and that's something that if they continue to pursue the future, now they have that whole going more into the 3D printer. We want to do something more like that so the students can also show their families and continue to take away things like that.
Denver Public Schools is the largest urban district in Colorado. We serve close to 90,000 students. The work of developing career identities for our students is really important to us so that they can plan and chart their futures and get careers that sustain them and their families. We weren't really aware of what was out there. The training that we received through Mimio really helped us understand the equipment and how we could use it.
When I had the third graders doing sailboat races with the 3D printed boats and the sails of their own design, we had volunteers that came out from a corporation, most of whom were engineers. And so each small group of kids was assigned their own engineer, and they got to iterate on their design. So they could design a sailboat, put it in the water, try it out. That was a good opportunity for even young kids to see engineering principles at work and how you don't always get it right the first time and you have to keep experimenting and trying and iterating on your design.
The tangible thing, I think that's so important. And with the robots, it helps out a lot. It not only connects them with something that is advancing in our age, right, with technology and everything, but it's also sometimes you're gonna fail and then you'll learn something, or sometimes you're just gonna keep failing and you're just gonna figure it out.
All of these technologies have a way of tying into the different careers that they're exploring, even as very young children.